Hey there. Okay, so just to show you, I did take this completely apart and wiped it down from top to bottom and removed the straps off of the high chair. I washed them, and the um, the cover, I also took that off of the high chair and really scrubbed as well as I could. It's not meant to go through like a washing machine. It's really just meant to be wiped down with a damp cloth, which is what it says on the label, to just wipe clean with a damp cloth. But you can take the cover off and the straps and wash them as needed. It is a pain in the butt to get them out, and you can change the straps out from a lower height, lower level, which is where I'm going to set them for y'all, to the higher level when baby is a little bit older. Just right here. And I just wanted to show you because I had the hardest time with this. So there's this lever right here. It's pull to fold. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just pull it towards you. You're gonna hear kind of like a click, and then it folds. So it is very slim, however, it's still pretty awkward when it's in its full position. It does take up quite a bit of space, as you can see next to my armchair. The width of like a rocking chair, armchair, whatever, to the width of this high chair, yeah, it takes up a lot of space. That's just high chairs in general. They always take up space. But at least with this one, you can just pull on the lever. It folds. Just store it wherever. So, yeah, I'm going to get the straps and the cushion cover, the high chair cover, back on. But I wanted to show you that there's, just to make it a little bit easier for cleaning, there are specific holes for these little like latches and stuff. Even, I think, where's that? On the back of one of these, there's like a little, oh, see, there's like these little hidden notches where the seat cover actually connects into it. Same with, I think, oh goodness, I can't find it now, but it's like a little tiny notch somewhere on here where part of the seat cover is supposed to like connect in, but I really don't know where it is right now. Anyway, hope this helps. Love you.